Subscribe, like and comment a nice one. You will get a shout out of my next video.
UAE. Subway. My favorite place.
Hello. Welcome to Subway. How can I take your order?
Would like 5 nachos and 5 Coca-Colas for me and my kids.
I would like a Mountain Dew, please.
I'm so sorry, Lithuania. We ran out of Mountain Dew. How about you can get Pepsi, Sprite, or Fanta instead?
No. I want Mountain Dew. I want Mountain Dew. I want Mountain Dew. I want Mountain Dew. I want Mountain Dew.
Lithuania. Stop it. Don't be like a total Karen.
That's it. I'm going to destroy this whole fast food place. Can I have another chance?
Wow.